week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if that is what you're into, then go ahead and subscribe. We are inclusive and we are multicultural, and if you have subscribed, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy to have you. Today I have just a very small wig haul from the Wig Company. These wigs were gifted to me, so I am so excited to open them up and see what's up with them. And you can let me know what you think. If you see any wigs that you'd like to see reviews on sooner rather than later, let me know. I have a full The Wig Company playlist, so please go check that out. They're an amazing company. I love the wigs. Most of the wigs that I get from the Wig Company, I do some type of transformation with, so that's always exciting. So they sent me over this box, and I just want to see the Wig Company. So I'm excited to see what's in here, so let's get in it. Because these are gifted to me, I won't know the exact prices, but I will put that stuff in the deets down below, as well as links to the wigs and to the Wig Company. This one here is called Rock Me. She's in the average wig cap. This is part of their statements line, so let's see. This is a lace front wig. She is in the color OM4/33A. This is very interesting. So it is a lace front with a lace part. Here's the construction. You can see there's a lace parting. It looks like she is a left-sided part. I love the texture of the hair. I wouldn't describe it as yucky, but it's definitely not a full silky. This is really a multicultural option for sure. These reddish tones are beautiful. There are no combs in this wig, and the straps in the back are adjusted by Velcro. So if you have any scalp issues or anything like sensitive scalp or anything like that, these are really great for it. I'm really excited to see what she's gonna look like. Okay, we have another one from their statements line, and this is Luxurious, and it's an average cap, and I have her in the color F33/263. Ooh, I can tell you the color is stunning. This is another lace front hairline wig. Ooh, that is so pretty. It's very interesting. It's blonde with red. It's maybe giving me a little bit of a caramely situation. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. She is the lace hairline there with the lace parting. She is also a left-sided part. This is more of a mid-length. Yeah, she's so cute. I can't, ooh, this would like go with what I'm wearing. I might have to put her on. Okay, and last but not least is another one of their statements. I'm pretty sure that's like one of their exclusive lines. And let's open her up and see what this is all about. This is Energize. She comes with a wig cap, which is awesome. This is a short wig. And I have Energized in the color R11S. She came inside out. That's to preserve. Oh, look, that's going to be so cute. Oh, this is a short little sassy situation. No combs in the front, no combs in the back. Adjustable Velcro straps. This is going to look so cute. I'm telling you, I'm going to rock this. I'm going to rock it. Okay, so I'm excited. This is what we have from the Wig Company for this particular haul. I want to thank the Wig Company. They're so awesome. We have a great partnership. You should really check them out. They're a very inclusive, they're a wonderful company. I just love working with them. I enjoy their wigs. They let me be me. They let me transform the wigs, which sometimes I'm like nervous, like why did you like hack that wig or change it or do something, but they're always really supportive about that, and I do feel like because of that, that's makes them just even better of a company. So please go and check them out, give them some love on their Instagram, and go visit their site. Let me know down below if there's any of these wigs you would like me to review sooner rather than later. Also, let me know down below if there's any other Wig Company wigs you would like me to review in general. I have a full playlist, like I said, so go check that out. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!